In this video, I'm going to be giving you an update on my affiliate marketing website, bestroofbox.com. This was a website that I created about a month ago. I recorded a full-length video tutorial on exactly how I created the website. Be sure to check that out. And I've also done a few other update videos since then, and they're all nicely packaged in a playlist. So if you haven't watched those, then dive into that playlist right now and go check them out. So in this video, I want to share with you some of the things that I've been doing to the site. I'm also going to share with you the latest earnings and traffic to the site. Spoiler alert, we got a sale. Hello, it's Alex here from WP Eagle. Hope you're all well. If you're new here, why not subscribe? You can do so by clicking on the button below. Make sure you click the bell button to be notified when I upload new videos. I try and do one at least every week. You should also go and check out wpeagle.com. Over there you'll find all of my videos and tutorials and articles and a ton of other good WordPress stuff. You'll find a link to everything I talk about in the description below. You can also buy some amazing WP Eagle merch over there. So let's start by getting into some of the figures on bestroofbox.com. And yeah, as I hinted in the intro, we have achieved a sale. Here it is. And as you can see, it's not actually a roof box, it is some probiotics. But hey, I'll take it. Any sale is a sale. And those probiotics are $25. So yeah, we earned well over $1 on that particular sale. But it's promising. And it's good because obviously you need to get free sales within, I think like 90 days or something after you set up your Amazon affiliate account in order to stay on the program. So that's 1 out of 3, and hopefully there'll be plenty more to come. In terms of traffic, it's just kind of bobbing along at the moment, not going up, going down maybe slightly, but I'm not too worried. I've got a whole load of SEO stuff that I'm going to be doing on the site very shortly. So I'm confident that that is going to increase the amount of traffic that the website is getting. So let's go through some of the things that I've been doing to the site. The first is that I've increased the length of the About Us page, and I've also added an image of me standing next to a car that had a roof box on it. I saw the opportunity in a car park the other day and took the photo, and I thought that looked okay on the About Us page until I actually have some roof boxes to hand that I can do photos with. That'll have to do. I think having a nice long About Us page with a relevant photo is a good way to increase the credibility of your website, and yeah, it's just, I think, a good thing to have for both visitors and search engines. So that was pretty easy to do. The next thing is I have, of course, been adding more content. This is something I try and do as often as I possibly can. I've got a few more articles on order that I'm just waiting for. I think I've got one more to upload that I've already got, but yeah, I've been publishing more articles. They're generally around different makes and models of cars. But I've got a few different ideas in the pipeline that I'm going to be sharing with you soon. The next thing I've been doing is going through some of the existing content that was on the website that I'd added previously. And I've been rewriting the page title and the URL so that it's a bit better, I think, in terms of SEO. So what I mean by that is I've been taking out the word best, and I've been moving the most important bit about a particular article. Generally, it'll be the car make and model. And I've been moving that to the front of the title, because when Google reads a page title, it's the first words that it gives the most importance to. I've also been optimizing the URLs, again, so there's no best words or any other words that aren't important, just keeping them nice and specific. Now, before I adjusted any URLs, I installed the amazing redirection plugin and made sure that it was set to automatically add redirections when I change URLs. That way people won't hit a 404 page not found error. If they happen to visit one of the old URLs, they'll be automatically redirected onto the new ones. The next thing I've been doing is optimizing the content with Yoast SEO. Now, with Elementor, this is not ideal, to be fair. The best way to do this with Elementor is to have 2 tabs open, one with the front of the site with your Elementor editor, and another with the back-end post information, you know, the kind of traditional classic WordPress page. And go down to the Yoast SEO panel, enter your keyword, and then start making some adjustments on Elementor. And then you have to keep kind of refreshing the page to update the feedback that Yoast is giving you. It works okay. It's a little bit clunky, but you can get there in the end. And yeah, I've been trying to get most of the posts to a green light with Yoast SEO, just making sure that the keyword's in the right places and it's readable and all that stuff that Yoast helps you do. Another thing I've done is I've added a search box to the top menu. This was based on some feedback that I got from one of you guys that went to the site to look for a particular article and couldn't immediately see how to search the site, especially on a mobile. So I've added a little drop-down search box to the menu. Done this using a free plugin called Ivory Search. It did need a little bit of custom CSS just to make it look right. And as I say, I've selected the drop-down option within that plugin. You'll find the custom CSS that I used over at wpeagle.com. Again, you'll find all the links for everything that I mention in the description. Final thing that I've been working on over the last few weeks is making the content even better. I think that's kind of one of the most important things that you can do to your site, is just keep revisiting it, keep making it better and better and better so that it becomes, amazing. So one big thing that I did was adjusted the tables so that they just look cleaner and nicer, and I've added some stars which are kind of based on the Amazon review stars. They're not an exact copy because I think you have to be careful with that, but yeah, they're just a rating and they are kind of inspired by the Amazon rating. I used a nice graphic to do them. I think you'll agree the tables do look better. I haven't done every single post yet, but I am working my way through them. To make it easier when it comes to adding tables, I'm in the process of creating a master table, which will basically include every single roof box that's mentioned on the site. Then when I'm adding content, because generally the same roof boxes keep coming up, I can just quickly pick the ones that I want and add a table without having to do it from scratch each time. Now, to take advantage of this global widget feature, you do need Elementor Pro, and I did a video recently on whether Elementor Pro is worth it. And I think for that feature alone, yes, it is worth it. But if you want a bit more detail on that, do check out the video, put a card up, and again, you'll find the links in the description. A couple of other improvements that I've been doing to the posts. I've added some quick links at the top with some lovely star bullet points, which are Elementor bullet points. They look really nice and allow people to easily navigate through the post. And I'm hoping that they might appear as a snippet on Google too. Finally, I've started adding some Pinterest type images to the posts, and I'm going to be doing a video very soon on exactly what I'm doing on Pinterest, why I'm adding these images, and what I'm going to do with them. That brings the end of this video. I'd love to know how you're getting on with your affiliate marketing website. Do leave me a comment below. I read all of the comments that I get, and I try and reply to as many as I possibly can. If you're not already subscribed, do click on the eagle. If you'd like to check out my vlog channel, click on my face. There's a couple more videos there that have been chosen specially for you, so I hope you enjoy them. I'm off to go and spend my $1.12 Amazon commission down the pub. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.